Johan Carlos is back from Strands Lighting Vision's YouTube channel. Great to have you here. We are stoked. We are almost there with the Hilux project. I just wanted to take out the Hilux from the garage to show you what we have done. We have now installed all light, but I wanted you to take it out from the garage to show you this. It's dusty, I know. It's dusty, I know. So don't comment on that because I know it's dusty. So what have we done? Now we have the bumper on, the front bumper. It is a massive one. It's also painted in the same unique color we have. So we have the special Strands color here on the hood, on the car, and then we have used a black color to match that up. This one is specially imported from Australia. Do not exist on the European market. On top of that, we have put it in a lot of nice lights. We have a Siberia double row 32-inch, gives you a great width of the beam. Front light, of course, you can change between amber, white position light. We have the Red Fox in the front, which gives you the warning light, has the position light, and gives also a nice distance beam together with the LED bar. On top of that, we have spiced it up a little bit with a close by light. If you go off-roading or crawling, as you say, we have added our work light here. From the unit is here, we a round one. It's made to fit perfectly in all those standard holes for fog lights. So this gives you a nice near view work light beam. We couldn't resist the idea to put some dark night slim here as well, just to give you a nice position light in the side of the car. On the roof, we have chosen to have Siberia single row. Hey Viggan, den är längst eller? Längst. It's a 52-inch. Nej, den är 50 inch, sorry. 50 inch in the front. Massive beam pattern, well over 500 meters, dual color position light. The position light amber goes on with amber on the side. This is what I love with the Siberia series. This endless opportunity to do great different combinations with the position light. And down on the footstep is newly on. We have position lights. We have hooked them in, so they are controlled by this wireless control box. I just need to find which is the right. Yes, look here. We have the pattern select. So you can choose which pattern you want. It is very nice. This is a cool feature. We have 13 different patterns. To make this happen, we use the cruise light wireless remote control together with the cruise light strobe control. The strobe control actually do everything that cannot blink from the start to blink, and this one control it wireless. It's one-to-one matches with it's like a big box, a relay box. I call it router. It's easiest to describe, where you have different channels for different use. So in this case we have put the side markers on that channel. Follow me here. We have also get on the back bumper. This is also a massive piece. Vikingo, as I call it, Viggan. He's just complained how heavy it is, but it's a really massive beast. Also one of a kind, specially imported from Australia. We've also hooked up here, we have the position light, which is really nice. See here, Jenny? It is nice. We have the position light, the red position light in the back. On the roll bar, we have the low rider. In the top, we have a Siberia multiple option, which gives a nice silhouette to the car. Let's see if I can hustle a bit with this control again. Here I have the reverse light on here. It's a warning light. This is a nice thing. I like the warning light you see in the lowrider together with the MO. And you can of course change pattern if you like here. And here was the side, and here is the work light from the next level, 11-inch, 9,000 extra lumen. Perfect for you who want to see when you reverse. Guys, it's a sunny day. We have 20 degrees in Sweden. Of course you cannot see how bright the light is. Stay tuned, and you will see a full episode when we are doing this in the dark, and you will see the massive impact from the Hilux. The logos is on black, as we like it. For you guys to say, oh,
where's the fender flares that you've talked about all the way?
Okay, they're coming. That's the last piece that Vigga will put on now. So if you like what we do, subscribe our YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, just follow us, and join now, because now we're going to the car beach of Sweden. Boom!